Hey, Keller parents, Fort Worth parents. Let's talk today about something that doesn't usually come up between dinner time and school pickups, and that's nerve pain. If you've been dealing with shocking, burning, numbness, tingling, or that feeling of when you sit on your leg too long and it goes to sleep, but it's in your arms or it's in your legs either, or both. First off, you're not alone. Second off, you're not just getting old. It could be that your nerves and your body are needing some much needed TLC. Now, the truth is, nerves can heal, but it's slow. I mean, slower than a toddler picking out jammies at bedtime slow. You know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? And I'm right in there with you. I've got a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old right now. But there's a 5-part recipe that I'm going to share with you. They can heal. And if you use this 5-part recipe, they'll heal even faster. Now, in this 5-video series, we're going to be talking about the essential things that your nerves need and that you need to do to take care of them so that they can heal as well as they possibly can. Think about it like your children. You want them to grow up successful. They need structure, they need nourishment, they need love, they need direction, they need care. Your body is no different. Stick with me and I'll walk you through each step. And it'll be one short video at a time, so nothing's too overwhelming, and you can watch it between different people bombarding you for requests for snacks or potty breaks. I'm going to set you up to be able to heal as well as you possibly can from the inside out. With all that being said, let's jump into the next video where we're talking about the first thing you need, and that's connection. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Also, send it to a family member who's dealing with nerve pains. They'll thank you later. And of course, if you don't have an appointment scheduled with your local chiropractor, go ahead and get that booked. We're here to help you be able to heal smarter and not have to work so much harder. I'll see you guys in the next video.